Imagine you have just realized you have been targeted by a financial scam, perhaps even lost some money. It is a terrible feeling, and your mind races with questions, especially about who to turn to for help. One of the first thoughts many people have is whether to contact their local police department. But is that always the right first step, and what exactly can they do? Yes, you should contact local law enforcement for a scam if you believe a crime has been committed, and you have sufficient evidence to support your claim. While some scams are primarily civil disputes or best handled by federal agencies, local police are crucial when the scam involves criminal activity within their jurisdiction, such as theft, fraud, or identity theft that has a direct impact on you locally. Local law enforcement agencies play a vital role because criminal fraud is a serious offense that can lead to significant financial and emotional distress. Unlike other agencies that focus on data collection or broader regulatory enforcement, local police have the authority to investigate specific criminal acts, gather physical evidence, interview suspects, and make arrests. This direct intervention is especially important when the scammer is physically present in your area, or when the crime involves elements like stolen mail or in-person interactions, establishing local jurisdiction. When preparing to contact your local police, gather all relevant information and documentation. This includes transaction records, emails, text messages, phone numbers, website screenshots, and any names or addresses associated with the scammer. Clearly document the timeline of events. It is also often beneficial to first report the scam to a federal agency like the Federal Trade Commission, or FTC, or the Internet Crime Complaint Center, also known as IC3, as these reports can provide a broader context and sometimes even lead to leads that local police can act upon. Remember that local law enforcement works as part of a larger network to combat fraud. Your report helps them build cases and identify patterns that can lead to breaking up larger scam operations. They may collaborate with state, attorneys general, federal agencies, or even other police departments if the scam extends beyond their immediate area. This interconnected approach means your local report contributes to a wider effort to protect communities and bring perpetrators to justice, going beyond just your individual case. Understanding when and how to engage your local police department effectively empowers you to take a critical step in addressing scam-related crimes. By carefully documenting your experience and knowing the types of criminal activities they investigate, you contribute not only to potentially recovering your own losses but also to safeguarding others from similar deceptive practices and strengthening the overall fight against financial fraud.